In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam ID. If you're a frequent user of Steam, you've likely come across situations where knowing your Steam ID is essential. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, joining a game server, or setting up a new device, your Steam ID is an important piece of information. Let's jump right into it and make sure you have everything you need to access your Steam ID seamlessly. First and foremost, it's important to ensure that you have a valid and active account on Steam. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. For those of you who have been enjoying games on Steam for a while, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's open the Steam application. If you're on a desktop or laptop, you can locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Once you've launched Steam, you might need to sign in. Take a moment to make sure your credentials are correct, ensuring you're accessing the right account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're in, you're all set to continue. With the application open and you're logged into your account, it's time to navigate to your account details. This is where you'll find your Steam ID. In the upper right corner of the Steam interface, you'll see your username. Click on it, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Details. This section is where you can find all the specifics related to your account, including the elusive Steam ID you've been searching for. Once you're in the Account Details section, look for an option or a line that mentions your Steam ID. Sometimes, it might be labeled as Steam Account ID or simply Account ID. It's a long string of numbers, neatly sitting there, ready for you to jot down or remember. Your Steam ID is unique to you, like a digital fingerprint within the vast community of Steam users. Keeping it handy can be quite useful in several gaming scenarios or when chatting with the support team. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find your Steam ID. Remember, this ID is crucial, not only for your current gaming adventures but also for any troubleshooting or server actions you might want to dive into later. We hope this process was simple and quick for you. By knowing your Steam ID, you're one step ahead in managing your gaming experiences efficiently. Until next time, happy gaming!